Hello friends, this is surface area and volume. A toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. We have to find the total surface area of the toy. This is asked. This is most important question again and again asked in 2024-2020. So we have given a cone which is surmounted on a hemisphere. Here the height of here we have given the radius, that is 3.5 centimeter, radius of the hemisphere, and the total height is given to us, that is 15.5. so we can find the height of the cone, that is 15.5 minus 3.5. so we get the height, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, if we find this total height, let it be AD, total height AD 15.5, that is, and radius is given to us 3.5. so height of the cone will be 15.5 minus 3.5, that is 12 centimeter. Again, if we want to find the curved surface area of the cone, so we have to find the value of the L for that, because curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Okay, pi RL. So we have to find out the L. So in this cone we have given 12, that is the height of the cone is given, radius is given to us, so we can find the length. Length is equal to h square plus r square, that is 12 square plus 3.5 square, 3.5 square, that is 156.25 ka square root, that is 12.5 centimeter. So in this way we find the value of L. So now in the given question we have to find the surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy is what? Total surface area of toy is equals to curved surface area of cone, that is pi RL, plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Okay, if we take common pi and r, if we take it common, then we get L plus 2r. I am getting it correct, 2 pi r, L plus 2r, that is pi r, L plus 2r. 22 by 7, r is 3.5, L 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. Okay.